In this Circuits of the Past video, we'll show you the exploration of Suriname Motorsport Park, often abbreviated to SMP. The Suriname Motorsport Park is a racetrack in the Para district of Suriname. The track is 1 kilometer long and 18 metres wide, and it's suitable for organising drag races. The track was opened in May 2013 and is the first official racetrack in Suriname. The owner of Suriname Motorsport Park is Motosur, or their full name, the Foundation for the Promotion of Motorsport in Suriname. Motosur was founded on the 2nd of November 2006 and has since organised competitions in various places in the country. As you can see, today there was only racing at SMP by these lizards. I'm sure you could still place a bet though. From June 2010, Motosur was part of the working group for the Promotion of Motorsport in Suriname, which was set up by Minister Santokhi of Justice and Police. The committee's aim was to find a cross-country terrain to prevent illegal racing on public roads. In May 2013, Motosur opened Suriname's first official racetrack, the Suriname Motorsport Park in Para. During the opening, the goal was stated to eventually expand the number of racetracks in Suriname to 7. However, whilst the track may look abandoned during this exploration, it is still a functional operating racetrack. Shortly before Herman's visit, there were drag race competitions being held at SMP. By the way, Herman is the founder of the Circuits of the Past website and YouTube channel. His full name is Herman Lischmeyer, and he filmed this exploration. My name is Simon Smith, voicing over the videos, and I have a YouTube channel called Higher Plane Games if you're interested. Here you can see Herman exploring one of the grandstands. Herman went exploring on December the 7th, 2023, during his visit to Suriname. Together with his girlfriend, who's a native from there, and her brother, he visited the Suriname Motorsport Park. Before this visit, they contacted the organisation. They were told that they could enter the site without any problems. It was even possible to drive on the drag strip, which you'll see later on in this video. Here Herman explores some of the sea containers on the site, which were just simply open. As you can see, more lizards were finding some homes here. Okie dokie, let's climb this staircase. As you can see, it's a bit dangerous to continue here, so let's continue exploring on the ground. Strange place for a refrigerator. What happened here? Lizards chilling? And here we go up another staircase. This one seems to lead to a safer place than the previous ones. It looks like some people had a barbecue on this wooden floor. Before we take a ride on the drag strip, let's take a look at the racetrack from this side. And now it's time for a run down the drag strip. This is where they do a burnout to warm up the tyres. They would then drive to their starting line, where the starting lights would normally be located, only they weren't here right now.
England's that is
Herman progressing back to his childhood memories with some racing sounds there. Don't worry, we all do it. Now we go for a slow ride on the full drag strip so that you can see absolutely everything. On the left you will see the first entry to the return lane. We'll explore that one later on in the video. The annoying sound that you hear is because Herman's not wearing his seatbelt. Naughty naughty. Normally he would do that, but he forgot to do this for the slow riding of the film, but his girlfriend was kind enough to help him put it on so that annoying noise will stop soon. There we go. With that problem solved, we continue on our way across the drag strip of Suriname Motorsport Park. And here we are, crossing the finish line. Way! Someone get the champagne. After the finish line, the dragsters smack on the brakes. The faster dragsters sometimes even need a parachute to come to a blinding halt. On the left, you'll see the second entry to the return lane. As said, we'll explore that one later on in the video, but first we'll drive all the way to the end of the drag strip to see where the dragsters that don't stop in time end up. So here we are at the very end of the drag strip. This is where all of the sad people end up. And here's where the sand trap that the dragsters get stuck into when they don't stop in time is located. Thank you very much to that sign for giving a little bit of wise advice to stop. Who would have thought? Okay, now let's make a U-turn and drive back across the drag strip in the opposite direction. While we enjoy these images, a shout out to our supporters on Patreon. If you want to help Herman show historic and special motorsport locations all the way around the world, register over at patreon.com/circuits of the past. In exchange for your support, you get access to special content. Herman is super grateful for every contribution. Here we take the return lane. This is the road that brings back the dragsters to the pit area after their run. On the left you'll see the first entry from the drag strip to the return lane again. Now from the other side. So, now we enter the pit area where a maximum speed of 5 km per hour applies.
Slow down.
5 kilometer.
We haven't reached the end of the video yet though, because Herman still has something he quite fancies doing. Let's go exploring the offices! As you can see, his lizard friends are alongside for the ride, and who wouldn't want to be? This office was also open. Apparently some painters had been doing some work in here recently. Herman left a nice surprise for staff in the drawers of the office. Before he left Suriname Motorsport Park, Herman placed stickers down to show that he'd explored this motorsport location. You've got to place your tag, right? So, that was the exploration of the Suriname Motorsport Park. If you like this video, please subscribe, and for more videos on interesting motorsport locations, also hit that notification bell so that you don't miss a single thing. Aerosmith would be proud. Visit our website www.circuitsofthepast.com too. There you can download a free ebook with 7 abandoned racetracks that you can visit legally. For now though, thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.